Handheld LiDAR scanners are redefining power grid maintenance. Instead of waiting for problems, utility companies can now predict and prevent failures, cutting costs and spotting problems earlier. This also gives them critical data to build smarter power grids. A project used the FJD Trion S2 Max LiDAR scanner to survey power grids, capturing CM-accurate data for 1:1 scale 3D modeling of lines, towers, and terrains. The point cloud data is also stored for future reference. The S2 Max also scanned clearance distances between conductors and crossarms with plus or minus 1 centimeter accuracy. The entire scanning took only 30 minutes, efficiently completing inspections without the need for tower climbing or power shutdowns.